Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your TV was working perfectly yesterday and today it is completely dead, stay with me for the next few seconds. In most cases, the TV is not actually dead. The problem is small, hidden, and fully fixable. As a technician, the first thing I check is power. Unplug the TV from the wall socket. Wait for at least 10 minutes. This fully discharges the standby power stored in the power board. Now check the power cable carefully. Loose power cords are one of the most common reasons a TV suddenly stops working. Try a different wall socket, not a power strip. Power strips often fail after voltage fluctuation. If there was a power cut or voltage spike, the TV power board protection may have activated. This is very common in smart TVs. After reconnecting power, press and hold the TV power button for 15 seconds. This helps reset the internal power circuit. Next, check the standby light. If there is no standby light at all, the issue is usually the power supply board. In most cases, a blown fuse or dry capacitor causes this problem. This is repairable, not a panel issue. If the standby light is on but the screen stays black, listen carefully. If you hear sound but see no picture, the backlight has failed. Backlight failure is extremely common after 2 to 4 years of use. The TV turns on but you see nothing. If the TV logo appears and then disappears, the issue is software. This happens after automatic updates or sudden power loss. Unplug the TV, reconnect power, then turn it on using only the original remote. For Android TVs, corrupted system files can cause boot failure. In that case, a factory reset using recovery mode usually fixes the issue. This is a software problem, not hardware damage. If the TV does not respond to the remote, check the remote batteries. Weak batteries can cause delayed or no response. Also, clean the remote infrared sensor area. Finally, if the TV shuts down immediately after turning on, overheating protection may be active. Blocked ventilation causes this issue. Clean the back vents and keep at least 6 inches space around the TV. Most TVs that suddenly stop working do not need replacement. They need correct diagnosis. If this video helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. Here we fix first and replace last.